Our world exists of complex physical structures, such as light rays, waterfalls, and lightning bugs. Those giant and extraordinary systems are built by billions and billions of individual elements. By observing those structures and how they are formed, we learn more about structural principles and can then transform those observations in a resource of computation. Any structure, if it is a mug, a dog, or even a car, can be used as a computational structure. The learnings and know-how from the observation we then implement at our laboratories in our own experiments and research.
In our experiments, we try to use light for performing computations. We use these AR goggles for visualizing faint light, because typically you cannot really see the path that light takes, and therefore we use computer-generated content to make visible what's otherwise not visible for the eye. So we build structures to manipulate, detect and generate light, and we are particularly interested in using not just classical light but also non-classical light and single photons, and build both free space experiments and integrated optics chips for performing computations with them. I think it's exciting to work in a field that is interdisciplinary and needs input from different directions. And I think this is also something that's particularly nice about the structure, where all of this comes together and gives us all the tools that we usually would not have in a single group.
In our experiment, we work with atoms, like something like 1 million atoms, but we cool down to some temperature that are really close to the absolute zero. So they are nearly frozen in their motions. In this way, in terms of quantum mechanics, they get really delocalized. So we see the quantum property of this atom at a macroscopic level. And we are interested in this atomic assembly to look at consequences of their quantum nature and what are the correlation that can arise if we tune the interaction between the atom, for instance. What I like the most in this kind of research is also that we are working as a team, and we are a lot of different people coming together and putting our effort together, finding solution for a small piece of these puzzles, and at some point we achieve something together.